guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a lemonade blizzard from Chick-fil-A. Today we're going to do it right now. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe before we could get to 1 million subscribers. So let's begin. First we're going to add the lemonade. Okay, if it's a little, because when you add the ice cream, it makes more. So we put it here. If I could put what's it called? The thing. Okay. So we're gonna put it. Okay. So we're gonna add it right here. Oops. Put that up right here. I know it looks disgusting, but it's gonna look super good. I tried this before and it was so good. You can search up the ingredients online. Okay, so we put it aside, and we just put the lid on, and we put it like this, and make sure it's locked, so yeah, and make it 3, 2, 1. Shake it. So yeah, guys, this is how you make it, and I like that. It's so much of a video right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.